like you. That's just what I do.
Okay, hey y'all, so this is how my hair turned out, and if you want to see how I achieved this look, make sure you stay tuned until the end. This hairstyle was inspired by Dearra Taylor, not Walker, because Ken, you just ruined love for all of us. Thanks a lot. I really cannot trust y'all. Like, that is so wild to me. I'm pissed. Hey y'all, it's your girl, @Becky, aka Rebecca, and I'm back with another YouTube video. So, as you can see, Rebecca has her hair blow dried again. So you know what that means. We finna get a little protective style, period. Today, I'm gonna do like the dearra braids. I'm gonna put a little picture, you know, that's her little signature look or whatever. And I'm gonna try and recreate it. So those are like knotless, like box braids. There's like really big parts. And I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna do it. So yeah. So these are all the things that you're gonna need. So I actually have like 5 packs of braiding hair, and then I have shine and jam, you know, get the edges all sleek, and then I've got some hair beads, and it comes with a little beater thing. So yeah, let's see how this goes. Okay, so I relocated to the bathroom. First thing, so I parted this part. I hope it's straight. I don't really know, but I think it is. So the first thing you're supposed to do, I guess, is split it into 3, and then you start braiding it. And then once you do that, then you're like feeding in here. And I take another piece. Oh, child. See, I was trying to act like I knew what I was doing, but I'm gonna figure this out. I'm gonna figure out how to do it, and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all. I'm cold. So I finally figured out how to do it. So I went ahead and sectioned off a section, and then we take our shine and jam. We slick down the edges. So first thing I do is take my hair, split it into 3, and then I braid that. So do 1, and then I take the braiding hair and I put it under the piece that's here on the side, and then under the piece that's in the middle, and then I can braid it. And then the piece that doesn't have any hair should be on the side now, and then I can take my other piece of hair, add it to that, and add it underneath the middle. And then I can take this last piece, add it to the side in the middle, and then braid again. Alright, and then I got to the bottom. So yeah, so that's what it looks like. It's a little bit hard to do the ones in the back, so once I get to the front, I'm gonna start recording again, and I'll repeat the process and show y'all how to do it.
2 hours later.
Okay, so as you can see, I've gone through a lot of my hair already. This is what it looks like, period. Like, I really did, like, you see how clean that is? The only thing that isn't clean is the parts, but you know, what can I really do? What can I really do? Child, it's 12 in the morning. Let me continue. These are clean. Like, tell me these aren't clean. You're lying. If you think these aren't clean, you're lying. Stop lying to yourself. You're just mad. So, take all my hair out. And then I'm doing square sections, as you can see. So I'm gonna part this right at the corner. I wanna make sure it's kind of laying in a brick pattern. So this one, I'm gonna part like right here. And I have this piece right here. So that's what I'm gonna braid my hair with. I'm gonna take my Shine and Jam. I'm gonna split my hair into 3 and then start to make a braid. So just a regular braid. Then I take my braiding hair and put 1 piece on the end piece and then 1 piece underneath the middle piece. And then I can braid that and do 1 knot. Now the piece that has no braiding hair on it should be like on the side. And then I can take the next on the side, in the middle, and twist. And then I do the same thing with the last piece. Side and middle. And then I can braid all the way down.
Come up with the game.
Now, I have this whole entire one done, and that's what it looks like.
2 hours later.
So this is how far I am throughout my head. I just have this top part and this part, so there's like 3 here, and another 6 here, so I have 9 braids left. I was able to do my whole entire head with just those 2 packs of hair. So I'm a little and it looks so cute. But we're not even done yet, sis. We're not even done. We're not even done. So
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
yo, look at my eyes. Look how tired I was. That is not okay. I'm finally on my last braid. I'm officially finished with braiding my hair. So this is what my bathroom floor looks like.
Child. Anyway, so.
All right, y'all. So it is currently 2:52 in the morning. But I do need to still seal the ends, so I have some water boiling downstairs. And I know my mama mad because there are some of them that I do want to redo, like this one. You can see they're quite different, but this side is definitely 100% like yes. And then this side, and then here's the back. And I'm very tired, so I'm not gonna put the beads in tonight, but I'll put them in tomorrow morning and do my makeup, and y'all can see the final look. Alright, y'all, so this is what my hair looks like. I actually think it's really cute, and usually I don't wear my hair in the middle part, but I'm kind of feeling it. I am kind of feeling it. It's now 3:03 in the morning. But yeah, I'll see y'all in the morning because I'm about to knock out.
Tomorrow.
Alright, y'all, so here is the finished product. So that's what it looks like. They're pretty long, which I'm not mad at. Now we could do a little side part, or we could just leave it in a little in the little middle part. My first time doing knotless box braids. I think these are pretty a-okay. But thank you all for watching. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and follow me on all my social media. It'll be right here, here. I still don't know, so y'all can just see. Oh, there's a no, go away. Yeah, thank you all for watching. Make sure you stay tuned for my next YouTube video, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.